My name is Olajubupo Toib, student of Atibian Tech Academy. Here presenting my internal defense on my final project here at Atibian. So as you can see from the display up, I built a finance management website which is named BudgetWise, which let me brief you through what it does actually. It helps us to monitor how cash is being cash in and cash out, how money transfers between your businesses, how flow of money enters, and it helps us to save time in calculating how much is being spent, what the income is, what
Brian Makoni, a full stack web development student at Atibian Tech Academy, and I'm here to guide you on my little, or should I say mini defense of my final year project, which is a music live streaming website. And
this addition and subtraction, you know that my balance is supposed to remain 45,000, which is done already. So on the next section you can see we have what they call the income transaction, which line chart represent how the money is being how the money is entering into the account, while the pie chart represent how the expenses is being made, how money leaves the account. So this is just the representation, the pictorial representation of the income and the expense.
now, starting with what's known as signing with Google, I'm here to sign in with Google as it is on the screen here. Yes, I've automatically signed with Google because I'm not using the sign in and the sign out stuff. I'm just signing with Google, since I'll be taking the information right from Google and be putting it on the website. Now, this is the user interface where we have the home page, which is this, and even without signing in, you can play music if you want to, without even signing in on the Google, without even signing in with Google yet. As an ordinary average person, without signing in, you can play music on the website. And
We have here, so making our work easier by I included a search input, and the search engine, you can be okay, you have plenty transaction in a day, and checking the history might be a lot of work. So you can just click on, okay, what did I want to search? Let me put, for instance, my salary now. So by clicking the three initials of the salary, you can see that it brings it out for me. It's bring out my salary for me to make it
TypeScript and Shine UI, which is a UI kit whereby I use in beautifying the website on its own for the front end, and for the back end I use MongoDB, Node, Express, JavaScript, and also TypeScript, and also yes, JavaScript. That's all I use for the building of the website, both the front end and the back end. And for the API, which is the database, I use Cloud UI, Socket, and IO. And the Socket IO is one that is responsible for the messaging. How I tend to send message to someone, they are receiving it and they're sending it back to me. It's the Socket IO that helps me in doing the message stuff.
the technology. I use React in building it. I use Firebase security as the database. The authorization, the logging in and the logging out is from database. I use database from it. Then the web frame, I use Node.js. Then I use React router in redirecting from one page to another. Then I use Montserrat from my Google font as the font. I use all the font that is there, Montserrat.
The presentation is a little bit off because you are supposed to just you make it things short. Try to make things short. Okay, this is an app. What is it used for? It is used.
What your instructor to do before the final defense. Do you understand? So the UI, work on the UI, and if you have a medium like a landing page before it gets to, you understand, so that you're going to introduce them to, okay, here I am. This is what this side is all about. Do you understand? Then when you were talking, your instructor asked you a question.
Since this is our first, this is your first presentation, so there are a lot of things that needs to be corrected. Okay, so the first things first is I also noticed when visiting the website, it's just straight ahead to the interface. Will you like to log out and log in back? Yes, log out. Just visit the website normally the way you would, like the first time. Okay, so if you click on these two, enter the website, this is what we see, which is a preloader
Of all what your instructor have told you. Do you understand? So that you can also effect those corrections before your defense day. So, and this is music app, right? You said you love music too much, isn't it? Okay, I will just now out of the context of programming now. So, even still in the context, so you can also build something like this for Quran app. Do you understand? People should be listening to Quran, you know, the same features. Do you understand? So with Quran, are you listening, Brian? So you'll be getting rewards. Anybody who listen come to your site and listen to it, so you'll be getting rewards from Almighty Allah. Do you understand? So this music app, if there are songs that go against the Almighty, so you might be bringing the sins to yourself. So, but it will be better you also come up with Quran app, this app, those things that will give you reward. Since you are a Muslim, so may Allah make it easy for you. So, assalamu alaikum.